Malaysia is not joining this tournament anymore because they have a positive COVID case, and due to that they cannot come, and that's a setback for us, a disappointment, not a setback, a disappointment. We are very disappointed. I'm very disappointed that they are not here because I want to challenge the team. I want to see the team play against the best teams of Asia. Malaysia is one of those. They were finalists in the Asian Games, so for me they are a team which we should see. They also qualified for the World Cup. They played in the World Cup, and we were out of competition for a long time. So now finally competition starts again, and that means that we would like to see how we stand in Asia and what we are lacking and what we are doing well. We have made some changes already. The players are well prepared by Junaid for this tournament. We have done some extra work, and we think that we are competitive. We can compete against every team in Asia. If we are right, time will tell, but that we don't know. But this was a good opportunity to test ourselves. Unfortunately, Malaysia cannot make it, for which that I regret, and I'm also sorry for the Malaysian players who prepared a long time for this. They went to Europe for a camp for over a month. They prepared very well to excel at this tournament, and that was also the reason why I was looking forward to this Malaysian team, because it was promising, a well-prepared team, and then we could see how our talents are. So I'm very sorry for them, and I hope that the players will be safe and healthy, and that the player who got the corona, that he will recover very soon. I don't know who it is, but that's privacy, and I understand that I don't know. But I hope that he will recover quickly. And for us, it's a pity, and it's that, but life goes on, and high performance sports means that we compete with the others, and means that we will fight and we will do everything to achieve a good result here.